Okay, if you're, well, I see only two viewers. I'm not sure who, but if you're viewing, welcome. Um, Tomorrow I'm gonna be really busy. Today my dad had to get some medical supplies that they kind of screwed up and didn't send out at the right time, and so he had to go pick up some more. Um, and our car basically went kaput. So we have to get that car towed and we have to get a new car and whatever. So tomorrow is going to be a pretty busy day. I don't know if we'll get a car tomorrow, but it's going to be pretty soon, and I don't know if I'm going to be home to do anything. So tonight I'm going to continue to work on. Really, it's just finishing chapter one where I have to rename some of the doors, and I actually have to rename the files and stuff. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, and just for an hour. I don't have that much time, but we'll see. Here, let me let's see if we can move this over here. Yeah, save. I don't know if you can see there, but you can see anything. The reason I'm talking quiet is because my dad is asleep, and I'm gonna stay up until almost midnight, maybe just before midnight. And anywho, uh, let us move Discord. Come on, Papa, get finished. Come on. Why does it have to? How come I download an update and but then it has to check and download updates? What's up with that? Come on, area. Shift this over here. Okay. All right. I'm just hold on a second. Okay. It's raining again. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a bunch of job vacancies. German. I'm not German. Okay. Oh, where's Redot? Redot, Redot, Redot. Going live. Okay. Come, come on, ride the train. I'll ride it. Okay. Channellands, rooms. Now. Okay, I have to actually rename these. Uh, mm, mm. I saw this video the other day of these people roller skating in a roller rink, and I guess supposedly they were like shuffle skating, shuffle dancing, but on skates. But they kept on playing that song, that train song, come and ride the train, right in that one. And I got that stuck in my head on loop. Come on, ride the train, I ride in. It's a choo choo. Okay. So I'm gonna open all of these in text editor. Oh, and the other thing that we need to do is since you have we gotta pull up the old guy. Most of these will be pretty straightforward, but I'm gonna have to check to see if I'm gonna have to check and see if I got the right ones in the right order. Mm, mm, mm. Come on, ride train. I ride in. Mm, do, 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 mm, mm. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's see here. Back to here. All right. Oh, yes. Oh, I think well, okay. Since I already have these open, I'm gonna go ahead and do the correct doors, and then I'll do the renames. Um, wait, did I? Uh, there's something that I didn't do. Control Z. The ID should be exactly the same as the. Yeah, that's okay. I'll fix this fairly easily. That's right. And this doesn't need to be underlined. Okay. Oh, it looks like that was the only one that was messed up that way. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Right. Copy. Okay. So that means that this one's going to be paste and copy, paste. Okay. Door to 9 and 10. Okay. Oof. After I get the doors in, then I have to actually rename the file names, and then I have to see if it works. If it works, then I am ready to go on to chapter 2. So hopefully we'll just get this part done tonight, and chapter 2 will be, I don't know, Wednesday maybe, if I'm lucky. If I'm lucky. Okay, let's get this. Let's get busy here. You were home 9. Inside the wrapper. Copy. T1, P1. Oh. T1, P2. That's right. Paste. And Hebrew home 10. Is P3. Copy. So 8 inside the wrapper. And this one goes paste. Hat magic. Or 2 hat magic. Okay. Door to inside the wrapper. Door to hat magic. Okay. And there we go. Cerulean 3. Let's see something here. Cerulean. Oh, inside the wrapper. Let's see which one this is. Um, oh, I see. Hero home 9, hero home 10. Okay, this one is actually going to Cerulean. Okay, hero home 9 is going. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, so let's find Cerulean. First Cerulean one. That is this one. Jumping books. Okay, this is it. Copy. Let's go back to This one inside the wrapper. Okay, so let's put that in here. Jumping books. Okay, paste. Alrighty. Alright, so let's go to Hero Home 10, Hat Magic. Okay, so 11, where is 12? Oh, I see. 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 13. I get it. I get it. So we jump over to 11. Only half a ticket. Okay, copy. So I'm just, this is some kind of boring stuff, I guess. I don't expect there, well, got 4 people. Well, thanks all 4 people that are in here. Uh, 4 viewers, whatever. Um, Copy. This is just kind of slow and tedious because I have to copy the actual names over to the actual door deals here. Like this is Hero Home 11. So I have to go to Hero Home 11, which is half a ticket. This one. And then I have to go to 13, which is over here for quick serverless. Copy. And these are the ones that have 2 of the same kind, but just in different orders. So they actually have individual like IDs and stuff, but the name is actually the same because technically they're the same. They're the same page really. So there we go. Uh, 13. Okay, so this one is quick serverless. Okay, so let's here, let's put that up here, door to that, paste, and let's copy this. Door to only half a ticket. Okay, paste. Okay, so now we got that. Now let's go to 11. 11 is going to go to 12. So 12 is quick serverless. So copy. So 11 goes to that. Goes to Hero Home 12, which is actually quick serverless. And let's copy. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, doesn't matter. so so pardon me for being kind of quiet and kind of boring here. It's just stuff that needs to be done, and I gotta the main reason I'm on stream right now is so that I have kind of a documentation of um my working of the game, even if it is only a stream, so it only really exists on YouTube and Rumble. But unless I download them, where to click serverless? Okay, that's here Home 12. Hit click serverless. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's go to 12, and that is okay. So 9 goes to jumping books. 10 only have to get quick serverless. 11 goes to quick serverless. What's something's wrong here though? Um, Truly for 12 and 13, 11 and 14. 12. Let's see something here. 10 goes to 11 and 13. 11 goes to 12. 11 goes to 12. 12 goes down here. 13 goes to 14. 14 goes down here. Okay, cerulean 4. Okay, I get it. So let's go ahead and fill that in. So let's go to 15, 14. Right. Cerulean 2, 3. 4. The wonky bar. The wonky bar. All right. Copy. Or okay, so let's go back. This was Cerulean 4, and let's go all the way back to whichever is door to Cerulean 4. Only half a ticket. Which one is this? Okay. So since that's the case, I'm gonna just go ahead and paste. Okay, then we're gonna go back. 14. The other Cerulean 4. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and paste. Control C. Control V. Save it. And let's go back to Cerulean 4. There we go. Paste. Okay, so let's go to door. Okay, 14. Okay. 9. Okay. 10. Goes to half a ticket and quick sorterless. This goes to quick sorterless, and this goes to the wonky bar, and then this goes to 14. Now 14 is also only half a ticket. I see. Okay, there we go. Copy. Only half a ticket. Copy. Paste. Save. Okay. Do the next one. Monkey bar, which is already done. Cerulean. Okay. Cerulean 1 and 2. Cerulean 1. Why did it jump like that? Okay, it doesn't really matter. Control V. Not a fairy tale. And Cerulean 2. Never heard of it. See. Right. Wait a second. Where we at? Oh, no, that's right. Cerulean 2 is not a fairy tale. No. Do this again. Cerulean 1 is not a fairy tale. This is... Oh, that... Okay, we already did not a fairy tale. Never... Okay, so never... I see. Copy. So 2 is not a... Never heard of it. 2 has never heard of it. There we go. Control C, Control. Like I said, this is just necessary, so it's okay if you don't, if you just come in and leave or whatever. If you want to chat, you can chat in the big red or mean green chat, video chat, or you can come to IRC, or I'm even on Discord. I don't have a Discord, but I'm on Discord, so you can check me out there. Anyways. Let's get back to this. Okay, so not a fairy tale, never heard of it. Okay. So that's 9 and 10, right? Yeah. So now 9 is to 3. So let's do... Okay. 9 goes to 3. And Cerulean 3 is the wonky bar. Copy. Paste. Control C. Control V. The wonky bar. So, okay. Go to the next one. This one's already also going to 3. Copy. I had to copy it twice because I did the one thing. So this is 3, which is the wonky bar. Somehow I feel like I'm doing too many doors to the wonky bar, but we'll check that out in a second. Okay. So next is the silver ticket. Page 1, silver ticket. See, okay. Cerulean 3, wait, Cerulean 3 goes to... Wait. Ah, there's a different thing there, though. 3 and 4 actually go to the silver ticket, but the silver ticket is a different... No. Oh, I hadn't fixed that yet, did I? Okay. T2, T0, silver ticket. That's the full ID here. It's essentially title 2 or the end title or whatever. So this one is paste. And I can leave over to the silver ticket. We can just that. Okay, and then this one is also the silver ticket, so we're going to do this paste door to the server ticket. Okay. All right. Now, the only thing we need to do is we actually need to name the files properly. So all the way back around. Go to the file names. Here. What is that? Why did I do it like that? Okay, I guess that's alright. So actually what I need to do here is I guess I'll do it this ways. Okay, so let's uh let's let's go all the way to the control tab. I didn't do that either. T1 P0. Right, T1 P0, a perfect candidate. All right. That's title 1, page 0, which is the main page, and then you have your choices down below, like so. Okay. Okay, let's copy, control, just copy that. Go ahead and rename T1 P1. Ready? Okay. P2, copy, P2, rename. P3, copy, rename, paste, magic. P4, control C, rename, V. All right. Rename, control V. Okay, here we go. Control C. Oops. Actually, that's all right. And this is P6, right? P6, okay. P7. Okay. Control C. Alt tab. Rename. Control P. Right, only half a ticket. P7 is only half a ticket. P8 is jumping books. Copy. Rename. 9 is not a fairy tale. Copy. Rename. Not a fairy tale. Copy. Never heard of it. Copy. Rename. The Wonky Bar. 24. Wait a second. This is called. Oh, this is P12, the Wonky Bar. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. No, this is right. 11 the Wonky Bar, 12 the Wonky Bar. Because, like I said, okay, so paste. Rename V. Then the silver ticket. T2, the silver ticket. All right. I think that about does it here. So now we got to do it. We got to test it. Um, okay. Let's go. Let's go ahead and the favorites and let's open a new copy. And this time, let's do the current. We'll see if it's messed up or not. Something's messed up, that's for sure. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Which one is this? Twin Brothers. Oh, okay. I haven't saved anything, have I? I didn't save anything yet. That means I can go ahead and. All right. This is rooms. Let's go to layout tool data. Actually, I think I need this in a new window. See if I can pull this out. I think. I hope I didn't screw anything up. Okay. The metadata files. Let's open a new window. Layout tool data. There we go. Okay, since I haven't actually saved anything in there, I should be fine in copying the names here. Okay. Let's see. You know what I could do? That is okay. So let's go ahead and rename the files here. Copy. Here it goes for help metadata. Oh. Okay. I should have renamed these when I had the chance. Okay, so either. Okay, so I have a problem here. Either I could try to rename these all uh, kind of by memory, sort of. Or I can just delete the metadata for these ones right here, and I'll have to relay it out myself manually. Kind of annoying, but I think that's what I have to do here. Candidate. Um, where's rooms again? Okay, let's see if these read the same. C main menu. C preface. C here it goes for help. And then the rest of these are actually okay. The twin brothers. Hmm, interesting. You know what? I'm gonna have to. That's annoying. Because even these have to be renamed here. All the T titles are T1 PO. See. I can see here. Well, I can rename the rest of these here. Um, these are all here. These are going to be the Twin Brothers is a new chapter, so the perfect candidate, the silver ticket, a perfect candidate, and the silver ticket is the last one over here. So we're gonna go first, the Twin Brothers, and then whoop, okay, these ones and these ones. So let's do a quick rename on those. Okay, 002, rename to 001, rename. Okay, and then the Cerulean ones, rename 003, oop, 03, rename. Okay, so that's the first thing I can do. Okay, so I'm basically renaming these like I renamed the other ones. So that means I don't have to completely redo all of the. In fact, what's funny is the. Let's see. These ones, the wonky bars, the two wonky bars. No. Oh, oh, there is a thing though. I do have the original. These are the original names too. So, because I haven't closed it. See, I haven't saved it. I haven't closed. I mean, I saved them and I renamed them, but I haven't closed it from the thing here, and that will also help me. So, uh, yeah. So jumping books is surely a 8, and let's see something here. Um, jumping. Where's the jumping books? That's right. So 12 is surely a 4. So those Cerulean ones are 12. Um, jumping books through. Okay, so 8 through 12 is the Cerulean ones. So these are actually 8 through 12. Okay, so that means what I can do here is I can do this. Rename. Um, I'm gonna search for 0, 0, 0, 1 here, and rename that 0, 0, 1 P1 page 1 like that. Let's see something here. A perfect candidate. Okay, which one was a perfect candidate though? So let me see. Okay. 8 starts with a magic mailbox. And is 8 is page 1, so that's will be okay. So that all these will be named page 1s. Okay, so and underscore, really rename those. Okay. We can rename this one. Wait a second, how did that end up in there? Perfect candidates there. Okay, let's go ahead and delete this. Perfect candidate. Okay, metadata. Rename this to T1 P0 underscore. So that way T1 P0, T1 P0, T1 P1, and on and on. Okay, and then the ceruleas here, these ones, rename 001 underscore to 001, whoop, to 001 underscore T1 underscore I guess we can say P1 is all as well. Let's do it that way. Rename those. That's kind of interesting. Really, dang. Stupid chair always falls down. Okay, so do, do, do. Okay. Actually, I should have renamed those. Underscore to P2. Okay. So let's check out, make sure that the order is correct. See, Hebert Home 8, P1 Hebert Home 8, right? P0 per candidate, right? 12, 13, 14, Cerulli is actually page 8. Okay, so now I need to rename these individually. And rename, doggone it, let's rename that. Okay. Rename to find P1, P2, rename to 3. Darn it, sick me off. Okay, shift rename and P1, P2, two, 0, 1, P1, P9. Rename. There we go. That way I could rename those other ones without it interfering. So this one's page 1, this one's page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. Rename page 6. Rename page 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rename 8 underscore. Rename 9 underscore. Rename 10 underscore. Underscore. Well, underscore. Okay, so let's see if that jives with the actual text files here. Uh, that's not what I want. Where? Oh. Eight is cerulean. 9, 1, 10, 2. 8, 9, 1, 10, 2. 11, 3, 12, 4. 11, 3, 12, 4. Okay. Rename this D2, D0. Okay, that works. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is the same thing that I did earlier, and that is I need to go and rename each of these to the proper name. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Let's get this done. Control Tab. Just gonna do this. Here, we're gonna shrink this down a little bit. All right. T1P0, perfect candidate. Okay. page 1 was Hebert Home 8. Control C. And this is T1P1, right? Rename. B. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be a little tricky there too. So copy, rename, B. There, like that. Next is page 3. Copy, rename, B. Okay. We have ticket, Control C, rename, B. Only half the ticket is page 4. Wait a second, something is wrong. Escape. Where is page 2? Hebert Home 10 is Hebert Home 11 is 4. Hebert Home 10 is 3. Hebert Home 9 is 2. Inside the something's wrong here. What's wrong here? Okay. Let's go all the way back. A perfect candidate. Right, that's fine. The magic mailbox is perfect candidate's P0. Magic mailbox is P1. P2 is inside the wrapper. P3 is 10, so P3 is 10. So we have 10 and 10. Okay, so that means that's 9. That means this is P2, and this is inside the wrapper. So let's copy. Let's rename P3 Hat Magic, because I did something funky. This is going to be inside the wrapper. 10 is Hat Magic. Okay. Rename this to Hat Magic. P3 Hat Magic. Okay. Now we're back on track. Okay. P4 is only half a ticket. Rename. P5 is quick serverless. Copy. Rename P5. Okay. 6 is also quick serverless, I think. Okay, so 5 and 6 are both quick serverless. I see. Right. And this one is. So am I right to think when conjure spell, it's just slightly worded slightly different? Okay. So this one is renamed to this to also serverless. So P5 and P6 are the same name, which is correct. P7 only have a ticket. Copy. See, P4 and P7 are only half a ticket also. Rename. Control V, enter. P8 is jumping books. Rename. Jumping books. Okay. 9 is not a fairy tale. Rename. Not a fairy tale. P10 has never heard of it. Copy. Never heard of it. P11 is the wonky bar. Copy. Rename. P11, the wonky bar. And this one is also going to be P12, the wonky bar. Control C. Rename. Control V. And the last one is 001 T1 T2 P0. Okay. So, okay, so I still have these few left, right? So let's bring this up. Right. Okay. So now the only ones that are left are I think chapters here. Let's see. That's rooms. So chapters are C and C's are all fine. That's why they were fine in there. T1 P0. Those are all T1 P0s. So okay, so all these T T T T T T. Rename from P dash to T1 dash P0, no, T1 underscore P0 dash. Okay. Now, if I'm right, these should pretty much correspond directly. Here it goes, per candidate, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, there still might be some goofiness. Okay, there still might be some goofiness in, whatchamacallit. So, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's restart this. We're going to load it up regular, and we're going to see if close, close enough, close enough. I don't know why they're out here, but I think that is the proper okay. It's starting to get late. Oh, but I think I can play these through without a problem now. I think. Let's test it out. One, who goes for help? Perfect candidate rounds his home. John Thomas rearranges them with some backgrounds. His magic universe language appears in midair. Disappears. He puts 3 magic houses in this house. This also has a box almost with this. Right, magic mailbox. If you wish to use the magic mailbox, okay, which we do, pulls open the door and a single silver ticket into it, says destination, then waits. Oh, inside the wrapper, okay. Let's show them working in the library and continue. Working light, he's putting books on the shelves, notices the one that's fallen on the floor, proceeds to put it back, seems to jump out again, does this 3 more times for really reading the cover, which says Unicorn Sign Language for Beginners. No wonder moves to how to section. Book on with you. The silver ticket. Chapter 2, The Twin Brothers. Okay, so let's just click one. Translocation, Clone Conjure. Clone Conjure, Clone Conjure. Half a ticket, half a ticket. Wonky bar. I think, just from the looks of this, I think this is correct. Again, I think this is what I did because, okay. The Twin Brothers. Okay. Okay, looks like it's good. Looks like we're good. Looks like I'm done with chapter 1 here. So I guess the next time I get on here, we'll be looking at chapter 2, which is the twin brothers here. Um, I'm gonna have to figure out something else on my console that makes it easier to switch rooms. Anyways, that's all I'm doing for tonight. Thanks for what popping in, whatever, checking in. I probably won't get to a stream tomorrow unless it's tomorrow night, maybe. I'm expecting all day to be busy, so I will. I'll either see you tomorrow or I'll see you Wednesday. We'll see. This week is just kind of weird because things have been happening, and yeah. So I'll see you. Thanks, everyone. Okay, stop streaming. Thank you for watching tonight's bonus stream.